Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to upload the video on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you log into the Facebook with your username and password, you can go to the post section. Once you go to the post section, so here you can see what's on your mind, and below that here you can see live video, photo video, and live event and all. Okay, so now I want to upload the video. Okay, so whether you can upload either a video or the photo on the Facebook platform. Okay, so I will just click on this photo slash video, since this particular is related to like how to share the video on the Facebook platform. Okay, so once you click on that particular option like create post, so here it will ask like whether you want to share it with your friends, or you want to share it to the public, or you want to share it friends except some of your friends, or you want to share only to yourself, or you want to share it to only some of your specific friends. Okay, so in this particular video, I am going to share that particular video to the public. So that means like anyone on or off the public can watch this particular video. Okay, so I have selected this particular public radio button. Now I will click on done. So now it's time to upload that particular video. Okay, whichever the video you want to upload on the Facebook. Okay, so for that here you can click on this particular plus option, plus button. So once you click on that, now I want to upload this particular video, like how to run the Python, like top 5 softwares for Python coding. Okay, so I will just select this particular video because my Facebook account is mostly related to the technology. So that's why I am uploading this particular video. Okay, so now I will just copy the title of the video, that is like how to run the Python top 5 softwares for Python coding. Okay, so here I will select some of the hashtags. I will select the Python hashtag, shorts, technology, and all. Okay, so now it's time to post this particular video. So for that, what I will do is like here you can see the option called post. Once you click on this particular post option, post button, so that particular video will be under processing. Here you can see your post is being processed. We will let you know when it's ready to view. Okay, so that you can wait for some time. So once you get the notification, so now you can see the notification like your video is ready to view. You can watch it now. So that means like now your particular video, the video which you have uploaded, is ready to be viewed for the public. Okay, so this is how you can upload the video on Facebook. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.